Hey guys, what's going on? And today we're going to be going over top 4 crypto and stock scams. So if you've been on Instagram, Telegram, Cash App, and you've either looked for crypto and stock investors, or maybe one Instagrammed you or DM'd you and they potentially told you if you invest they can bring you significant amount of profits, stick around in this video. I'm going to show you how to avoid the top 4 crypto stock scams. Alright guys, so I have my browser up here and we're gonna go over some things you might encounter in this market while you're trading. So some scams to avoid in this world. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Especially on Instagram, I have noticed a significant increase of scams coming through. People trying to, get your money, saying they can triple it, quadruple it, something that's unreal to be true. I don't know if you guys ever heard that expression. If it seems too good to be true, it is. Well, for this, it is correct. So we're gonna get into some things that you can see. So I have an Instagram here, and you see a few posts like this. You'll click on there, you'll see this person's name. They'll have stuff like this on here, basic stuff like husband, father, trader, investor. And then you'll see some other stuff down here: Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin mining, trading, advice, stuff like that. So not too alarming, but I'm starting to notice a trend that they all are starting to do this. So that is one red flag. When you see their bio stacked up like this, with the Bitcoin mining, investment professional, and all this other stuff, that's one red flag. The next thing you'll see, you'll go down and you'll see their profile pictures. So a lot of the times they'll have pictures of definitely money on there. I mean, money you only see in rap videos. They'll probably have a very expensive car, like $1 million car. They'll have some saying. They'll have a few people up there waving money. I mean, you'll see all this type of stuff that you see right here. These are scams, guys. So if you see anything like this, you'll look up, you'll see their followers. I don't know if you guys don't know now, but you can buy followers, guys. If you have $5, $10, $20, you can buy followers, thousands of followers. So you can't just necessarily look up at those followers and be like, oh, they have a lot of followers, they have to be legit. Not anymore. Maybe some years back, but now you can buy followers, so you can't go by that followers now. So that's one red flag that you're gonna see on Instagram. Definitely stay tuned for those accounts that their bios look a little suspect, and then their pictures are filled with expensive cars, houses, and just lavish money like that, but not too much details on like technical analysts, or really seem like they're trying to help you. The next thing we're going to get into is pump and dumps. So if you're a new trader, you probably encountered this, or this probably has happened to you. You've ever seen a stock shoot up so high, and then the next few moments later, it dumps right back down, clearing all the profits it just got. It almost seems impossible. Like, why would you rise something up just to dump it down? This is a scam, guys. Tim Sykes talks about this all the time. This is where I learned it from, the pump and dump scheme. Pretty much you hype up a low float stock that pretty much is crappy anyways, and then you dump it back down. So pretty much you as a new trader, you would have bought in right here like you see on this screen, and it would have continued to sell down. You're sitting here like it had good news. I don't understand what happened. It's a scam, guys. So when you see, and one way to spot this is look at the chart history. Go back in the chart history. See how it moved on those bullish days. Did it shoot up? Did it hold? Or did it wash back down? And if you go through the history and you see a whole bunch of patterns of it shooting up and shooting down, that's a tip right there, guys. This is a pump and dump. That's not to say that you can't take that strategy and use it to your benefit. You definitely can. But since you do know that they're going to pull it up and dump it down, you either have to know when they're going to pump it up, so be somewhere around here, or if you do catch it at the high, go ahead and try to get some shorts in there. The next thing we're going to go over is trading signals. So trading signals is essentially someone that's like, hey, I'm going to send you the top runner stocks. They're guaranteed to make you money. All my signals work. So they'll send you a text message saying, hey, ABC is running. It's up 30%. Buy now. You'll buy now, and long before you know, it's a pump and dump. You're in, it's going down. He's saying he made $3,000 off a 3-cent move, and you're over here like, what the hell? How? So definitely pay attention to those trade signal scams. I'll tell you this, guys, it's work. Finding stocks that are gonna pop and that are good is a little work. So you're either gonna pay somebody to do it, which 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be a scam. You can find a legit trading signal company, but there's a lot of scammers out here. So I would just say invest in the research and the energy, read some books, YouTube videos, and just learn how to find your stocks that are having good movement. It'll save you a lot of money in the end, and you'll definitely never get scammed on that type of stuff. We are gonna click over here, and I'm gonna show you some examples of scams in Forex. So Forex have scams too, guys. It's not all about stocks and crypto. So some scams you'll see in Forex, you'll click on their Instagram account and they're showing you guys numbers you've never seen in your life. Like, look at this right here. This guy says he made like 30 bands. Now, I'm not saying there isn't people out there that's not bringing this money in. There definitely is. But on the average, no. So when you click here and you see this and they have like, oh, he has 10 lots and he made this and he's never losing and it's day after day after day, you're kind of like, yo, you should have more money than Elon Musk at this point. Like, why are you reaching out to me telling me you changed my life and you're making this? Scam, guys. Anybody that reaches out to you saying, hey, I can give this to you, you don't think these people have family, friends, people they're close to that they would want to give that opportunity to? Of course. So why do you think they pick you out? It's a scam, guys. So definitely don't get baited into these profits right here. You're strolling on Instagram, you're seeing these people with these crazy, you're like, oh my gosh, like, yo. Now there are people, Forex is 24, 25, you know, it's a lot of hours. It's pretty much every single day except half of the day on Friday and Saturday, and it opens back up half afternoon on Sunday. You can make unlimited money on Forex. You definitely can. But people baiting you like this and then offering to give you this amount of money is definitely a scam. So definitely pay attention to people that broadcast their profits like this. It seems like they never lose. It's back to back. It seems like they're making more money than Oprah in here. Definitely check that out. Some things you might see, some statements, you'll hear somebody, you know, reach out to you. You know, they'll say, hey, you know, you can invest as low as $50 to $100. You're like, oh, that's not that bad. It's worth a try. You guys don't realize you're giving them your bank information, you're pretty much your whole life. So they can soak more than that $50 to $100 you originally invested in. So definitely pay attention to those tricky messages they hit you up with, like, hey, and look at this guy. This guy is over here saying you don't even have to put anything down. He's like $0 down. If you have an active bank account, you can make $15,000 to $5 at the minimum. Like, come on, man. Just for me having a bank account, $0, you know the scam. This dude wants to get your account. He's gonna scam it, flip it, and before you know, you're gonna owe that money and he's gonna be rich. So definitely pay attention to stuff that just looks like it's too good to be true, guys. Like, come on, why would somebody go in your DM and give you this deal of a lifetime? It's a scam. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Stay on the lookout for those scams in the market. Bitcoin mining, crypto, Forex, they're definitely out there. They're running high. I mean, that market, guys, they're soaking millions from investors, people that don't have the time, people that just want to give somebody money. Stay tuned to that. Don't fall trend to that. Give me 10 and I'll give you $1 million in 2 days. Like, it's scams, guys. Till next time, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, Kwaheri.